Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to ollie. Where you want to put your feet is right where it is on the screen right now. What you don't want to do is push your back foot forward. You want to have both feet diagonal and pushing up on the board. Want your foot at the back of the board, and you want to put your other foot at a 90-degree angle and push forward on the board. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below what your favorite part is, what you want my video to be next. Have a great day.